Hi everybody, it's Blippi. Are you ready for some super duper fun? Today we're going to make something really cool. It's squishy and colorful, and it's called Rainbow Slime. Are you excited? I know I am. Making slime is so much fun, and the best part is you can choose all your favorite colors to make a rainbow. Let's get started. Before we start making our rainbow slime, we need to gather all of our ingredients. This is the most exciting part because we get to see all the colorful and fun items we'll be using. It's like preparing for a grand adventure, and each ingredient is a special tool that will help us create something magical. First, let's make sure we have everything we need. Just like a chef gathers all their ingredients before cooking, we need to do the same for our slime. This ensures we won't have to stop midway to look for something, so let's lay out all our supplies neatly on the table. It's like baking a cake, but instead of a yummy treat, we get awesome slime. Imagine the joy of mixing and creating something with your own hands. The excitement is palpable, and the anticipation of the final product makes it even more thrilling. So let's dive into our list of ingredients. We'll need some glue, the kind you use at school. This is the base of our slime, and it's what gives it that stretchy, gooey texture. Make sure you have a good amount because this will be the foundation of our creation. And we'll also need baking soda, just like Mama uses for baking. This ingredient helps to activate the slime and gives it the right consistency. It's amazing how something used in baking can also be used in making slime. Science is truly fascinating. We also need food coloring to make all the colors of the rainbow. This is where we get to be creative and choose our favorite colors. Whether you want a single color or a mix of many, the choice is yours. And don't forget the contact lens solution, which is crucial for bringing everything together and making the slime less sticky. A bowl to mix everything in is essential. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure it's big enough to hold all your ingredients and give you enough space to mix them thoroughly, and a spoon to help us stir. This will make mixing easier and ensure that all the ingredients are well combined. Stirring is a crucial step, and having the right tool makes it so much more fun and efficient. Now that we have everything we need, we're ready to start our slime making adventure. Now comes the fun part. Let's start making our slime. First, we take our glue and pour it into our bowl. Make sure you get all of it out. We don't want to waste any slime. Next, we add a spoonful of baking soda. Baking soda makes our slime extra gooey and stretchy. Can you say gooey? Gooey, it's a funny word. Section 4, adding a splash of color. Today, we're going to transform our plain slime into a vibrant, colorful masterpiece. Are you ready to dive into the world of colors? Now it's time to make our slime super colorful. Grab your favorite colors and let's get started. Imagine all the fun we can have with a rainbow of slime. Remember all those colors of the rainbow. Each one has its own unique charm and beauty. From the bright red of a juicy apple to the deep blue of the ocean, colors make our world so much more exciting. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's use them all. These colors will make our slime look like a magical rainbow. Imagine how amazing it will be to play with such colorful slime. We'll put a few drops of each color into our slime mixture. Watch closely as the colors spread and mix, creating beautiful patterns and shades. It's like watching a colorful dance, but be careful. Don't put too much or it might turn into a muddy brown. We want to keep our colors bright and vibrant. A little goes a long way, so add the colors slowly and enjoy the process. We want our slime to be bright and colorful. Look at how amazing it looks when the colors are just right. Stretch it, squish it, and have fun with your colorful creation. Remember, the best part of making slime is enjoying the process and the final result. So, let's keep experimenting and see what other beautiful colors we can create. Section 5. Time to activate the slime. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Our slime is almost ready, but it needs one final touch to become the perfect, stretchy and fun slime we all love. Now comes the magic part. This is where the real fun begins. Watch closely as we transform our slime into something truly amazing. The kids are super excited, and you will be too. We need to activate our slime and make it super stretchy and fun to play with. This step is crucial because it changes the texture and consistency of the slime, making it more enjoyable to stretch, pull, and play with. Imagine the endless hours of fun you'll have with your friends and family. To do that, we'll use our contact lens solution. This special ingredient helps the slime to firm up and become less sticky. It's like magic in a bottle. Make sure you have your contact lens solution ready. Pour in a little bit at a time and mix it really well. It's important to add the solution gradually so you can control the consistency of your slime. Too much at once can make it too stiff, so take your time and enjoy the process. Keep mixing until the slime starts to come together and pull away from the sides of the bowl. You'll notice it becoming less sticky and more stretchy. This is when you know your slime is almost ready. Keep kneading and mixing until you get the perfect texture. Once it's done, you'll have a fantastic stretchy slime that's ready for hours of fun. Section 6, show off your rainbow slime. Wow, look at all that colorful slime. You did it, you made your own rainbow slime. Now comes the best part, playing with it. You can poke it, stretch it, squish it, and even blow bubbles with it. It's so much fun. Section 7, see you soon. I hope you had a blast making rainbow slime with me today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun activities. And be sure to share pictures of your awesome rainbow slime in the comments below. I can't wait to see them. Bye-bye. See you next time.